After finishing all cleaning tasks, remove the wiping pad and place it into the station's cleaning compartment. Select the cleaning mode according to the pad's level of dirt. Once cleaned, air dry the wiping pad to prevent odors. If you notice dirt or residue inside the station's cleaning compartment, activate the tub clean mode. To prevent odors, leave the compartment door open for ventilation after cleaning and close it only once the compartment is fully dry. Please remove the brush bristles and rubber strips from the cleaning discs, clean and wipe them dry, and reinstall them onto the station. After cleaning, please pour out any remaining liquid from the WINBOT's water tank. Please empty the remaining liquid from both the clean water tank and the dirty water tank of the station and rinse them thoroughly. Access the Station Frequently Asked Questions page for cleaning the drive wheels. Follow the instructions and wipe the treads with a clean cloth. Wipe the fan with a clean cloth to prevent any loss of suction on the WINBOT. Wipe the optocoupler sensors and sidewalls with a clean cloth. Then, hang the WINBOT on the station hook according to the slot indicators on the back of the device. Short press the retract cable button, and the station will automatically retract the cable. Detach the safety rope. Press and hold the station's power on/off button for 2 seconds to turn off both the WINBOT and the station. Thank you for watching. Tap Help in the app settings to find more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, created for ease.